Welcome. Today we are going to discuss the topic trigonometry, which will be beneficial for CBSE students as well as state board also. Okay. So first of all, we will see the concept, then we will move to the formula. Okay now. So firstly, in trigonometry we have right angle triangle, of which this will be your 90 degree. Okay, this will be your theta. Okay, and as we all know that sum of a angle of a triangle is 180 degree. So 90 degree has been already taken. So this part will be 90 degree minus theta. Okay, 90 degree minus theta. So we have basically 6 ratios, which are sin theta, cos theta, tan theta, cosec theta, sec theta and cot theta. Look, so the formula for ratio of sin theta will be perpendicular by hypotenuse. This part will be from here to here. Suppose it is O, A, O, B. Then AB will be your hypotenuse. Okay, this will be your base, and this will be your perpendicular. Perpendicular, hypotenuse, and this will be your base. So the formula for sin theta will be perpendicular upon hypotenuse. Cos theta will be base upon hypotenuse. Tan theta will be perpendicular upon base. And in cosec theta, it will be just opposite. That means it will be reciprocal as hypotenuse divided by perpendicular, hypotenuse divided by base, and base divided by perpendicular. So these are the formulas which will be used for finding the ratios. Suppose if we have triangle and we have the values of this perpendicular and hypotenuse, then by using Pythagoras theorem, which is hypotenuse square is equal to perpendicular square plus base square. Okay, this is your Pythagoras theorem. Hypotenuse square is equal to perpendicular square plus base square. So by this formula only we can find if your perpendicular is not there, or if your base is not there, or if your hypotenuse is not there. In all three cases, this single formula will be used. Okay, hypotenuse is equal to root of perpendicular plus base square. Okay, so moving to the next step, we have some formulas which are sin theta is equal to, look, the opposite of sin theta is cosec theta, right? So sin theta multiply cosec theta is equal to 1. Okay, so sin theta is equal to 1 by cosec theta. Cosec theta is equal to 1 by sin theta. Same like that, after sin cosec we can use cos theta and sec theta also. Sec theta into cos theta is equal to 1, or cos theta into sec theta is equal to 1. Both are same. Okay now. So it will be sec theta is equal to 1 by cos theta. Cos theta will be 1 by sec theta. Done. Same like that, last for last, tan theta and cot theta. This will be your tan theta multiplied cot theta is equal to 1. Tan theta multiplied cot theta is equal to 1. Okay. Tan theta is equal to 1 upon cot theta. If you have any doubt, you can ask in comment below. Okay, now cot theta is equal to 1 by tan theta. Done. After that, we have one trick. Okay, so this trick will be basically for the square formulas. That means whenever we will use square, that trick will be used. And what is the trick? Trick is opposite r. Okay, so suppose we have sin theta, cosec theta, cos theta, tan theta, cot theta and sec theta. Okay, now so this both will be taken, this both will be taken, and this both will be taken, and when we combine this all, it forms opposite r. Okay, now so for sin theta and cos theta, we can write it as according to the formula: sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. Remember one thing, in sin theta and cos theta only positive sign will be used, otherwise in both sec theta, tan theta and cosec theta, cot theta, minus sign will be used, and minus sign will be used as sec theta minus tan theta and cosec theta minus cot theta. Okay, so just keep in mind these things. So now we have sin square theta is equal to 1 minus cos square theta, and cos square theta is equal to 1 minus sin square theta, because this sin square theta will be transposed to another side. Okay, this sin square theta will be transposed, okay, now to your right hand side. Like this is your left hand side and this will be your right hand side. Done. Same like that, we can write also sec theta, sec square theta minus tan square theta is equal to 1. Sec square theta minus tan square theta is equal to 1. Sec square theta is equal to 1 plus tan square theta. Done. And tan square theta is equal to sec square theta minus 1. This one will be transposed and this tan will be transposed to right hand side. So we will have tan square theta is equal to sec square theta minus 1. Okay. After that, now we will take for cosec theta and cot theta. Cosec square theta minus cot square theta is equal to 1. Cosec square theta minus cot square theta is equal to 1. Cosec square theta is equal to cosec square theta is equal to 1 plus cot square theta. Done. Same like that, cot square theta is equal to 1 minus this cot square theta is equal to cosec square theta minus 1. Done. So these are the square formulas and we can learn it by opposite r. Done. Then after it we have one more trick, which is your smiley face. Done. So smiley face is like this, no? This and so sin theta cos theta will be taken, cosec theta sec theta will be taken, and tan theta and cot theta will be taken combined. Okay. So now we will see the formulas for 90 degree. Okay. So sin theta is equal to cos 90 degree minus theta. Done. Same like that, cos theta is equal to sin 90 degree minus theta. Now we have this cosec theta and sec theta, right? So it will be cosec theta is equal to sec 90 degree minus theta. Sec theta is equal to cosec 90 degree minus theta. Lastly, tan theta and cot theta, right? Tan theta is equal to cot 90 degree minus theta, and cot theta is equal to tan 90 degree minus theta. So this is the concepts and formulas of the chapter trigonometry. And if you have any kind of doubt regarding this chapter and the concept and formulas, you can comment below. And if you liked and enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. It will motivate me, and subscribe and share to my channel. Thank you.